Well, hello everyone. Today I'm so thrilled to be welcoming Oliver Bata, and Oliver is the country representative and manager for SLC Philippines. Welcome, Oliver.
Hello, Shelley. Thank you for having me today.
Nice to see you. So maybe we can get started and you can tell us, first of all, a little bit just about your background and your experiences that you bring to your role with SLC.
Okay, so I completed my bachelor's degree in business administration from the SL University in Manila, after which I spent a good number of years in the corporate world, and then last 2014, a friend of mine invited me to join him in his company. So basically, it's an event and advertising company that mostly do education-related events, such as fairs, seminars, workshops, and we organize events for Canadian and Australian institutions. So that's how I got to know Antonio. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. And so is it been since 2014 that you've been working for SLC in the Philippines?
No, no. I met. I went to SLC at 2018. It's been more than 2 years now. Yes.
Okay,
So
okay.
2018.
Okay. So you clearly, given the fact that you're in the Philippines, you're from the Philippines, you're very familiar with the types of students who might be interested in studying at St. Lawrence College. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about, based on those interactions that you have with potential students, what are some of the reasons that they are interested in studying at a college like St. Lawrence College and studying with us in Canada?
Okay, so they know that St. Lawrence has so much to offer. We have a lot to offer in terms of we have the best education, we have innovative programs to offer, and we have hands-on um, experiences. We offer hands-on experiences and placements, and also our location where St. Lawrence is located. I mean, Kingston is one of the nicest places that I've seen, and also we have a tightly knit Filipino community, which is such a big support for Filipino students.
Interesting. So, are there certain kind of program areas where you find that students from the Philippines are more interested in others? Like, are they interested in technical programs or health related programs, or is it really just a variety of different programs in your experience?
From my experience, they usually look for health and science programs as well as hospitality and business. So these are three of the more popular programs that they usually look for.
Okay. And so, do you think that there are more opportunities for more students from the Philippines to come to St. Lawrence College than come right now, for example?
Oh, definitely,
Yeah.
definitely, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh, I mean, like I've mentioned, they know that Canada, we have in Canada, the overall quality of life is really great. So everyone wants to come to Canada and have their education there.
Right, I understand. Yeah, that's fantastic. The last thing I was going to ask you about, Oliver, is really to get your advice, and that is that, we welcome students from all over the world. We want to welcome more students from lots of different parts of the world, and in particular the Philippines, as you say, especially in our communities. In Kingston in particular, we have quite a large Filipino community to support students who come here. And I'm wondering what advice you would give to people at the college to make sure that we're doing as much as we can to welcome students coming from the Philippines in particular. What advice would you give?
First and foremost, I want to say that our staff, the SLC committee, is doing a tremendous job in supporting our international students, especially the Filipino students. But if I were to give an advice, I would say that it is to understand our culture more, and that would really help our students. So yeah.
Right. So it really is just understanding that the students have come from a different cultural background. They have different traditions and customs and different perspectives, and it's really to
Yes.
educate ourselves about what the culture is. It's all a part of becoming much more interculturally aware, which is a
Yeah.
great point.
All
Great
right.
point.
That's right. And
Okay,
our
Oliver.
I just would like to add that our ISAs, our student assistants, are doing a great job in ensuring that our international students are their learning experience at SLC are is meaningful and pleasant.
Excellent. Well, I think you're absolutely right. I mean, I think the international student advisors have great strength in that area. And I think the more that all of us can really follow their lead, I think that it will be the students are the ones who will really, really benefit. So I agree with you completely. Okay, Oliver. Well, thank you so much for your time today. I really
Thank,
appreciate it. It was nice to get to know you a little bit more. Stay safe in the Philippines.
thank you. It's my pleasure. Thank you, Shelley.
Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.